we see this as a way of retaliating by those who did not like your transformative agenda here in the Western Cape. We can see the onslaught against you as an onslaught against Black African professionals. We're here to say to you, JP, you must never doubt that you have done good for this country. We are here to celebrate you and to encourage you.
We just have to fight together. We know the issues is about, the struggle is about the return of the land. That's what it's all about. And that's the fight that we must carry on until Africa and Africans are free. And until we get our land.
We are fully behind you in your constitutional court application. We don't have anything, but we are available to ensure that where injustice is meted against one of our own, we stand against that injustice. And we will never rest until justice prevails.
So much, Thank
you.
CIC and the entire leadership. I'm talking about the national as well as the provincial leadership. Your support means so much to me. It means a lot to me. It means a lot to my family. It has been a long way, and there we go. There we are today. But of course, the way I look at it, this is just the beginning. This is not the end of the road, this is just the beginning. I'm turning 65 next birthday, which is in May. I can still work for another 15 years without anything requiring thinking up there. I can guarantee it. So there are many other things that one can do. We can always help here and there. But your support means so much more to me. The fight is going to continue. We just have to fight together. We know the issues is about, the struggle is about the return of the land. That's what it's all about. And that's the fight that we must carry on until Africa and Africans are free. And until we get our land. It's as simple as that.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
With JP, we really are here to say to you, we can see the onslaught against you as an onslaught against Black African professionals, because there is nothing really concretely which someone can put on the table and say this is a cardinal sin which a judge must never commit, and it's an impeachable sin. So we see this as a way of retaliating by those who did not like your transformative agenda here in the Western Cape. It is very unfortunate that those who put you in the deep end and gave you a mandate that you must go and turn things around, and when we have done such a good work and the enemies of change now turn against you, the progressive behave like they don't see. So we are here to say you're not alone, and this is not the end of the road. And we strongly believe that you still have got a bigger role to play, whether you are a judge or not. It is not those ropes that you carry around you which make up your brain. They might take away the ropes, they might take away the pensions, they might take away the title. They will never take a brain of an African old man away from him. You are gifted in all respect, one of the most intelligent African brother, a person who has shaped the law and the judiciary of South Africa. And that history, no one can do away with it. No amount of vote can outvote that. So same goes to Judge Motata, who got impeached for crashing his personal car, being off duty. And they say a judge should not have been drunk and all that. But the real problem is that the judge who was drunk is an African man who went to crash a white man's wall. Had he crashed a wall in Umlazi, it would not have been an issue. But how dare does a black African man crash a wall? So when a person is drunk off duty and crashes his own car, it's a matter between that person and his own insurance. We have nothing to do with that. But today, we're told that we are somehow part of the penal beaters who must give an opinion on crashed cars as parliamentarians. It's unfortunate, and it is at that day for our country. But knowing you and knowing the kind of work you've done in this province, this is just the beginning, and we'll meet after elections to chart the way forward. So we're just saying, please don't be discouraged, don't be demoralized. We're here and we're going to support. Thank you, TG, for organizing all of this, and all the leadership of the province and the national leadership and members of parliament. Thank you for coming with us. You could have given any other kind of excuse and say you're busy with this or that, so you can't be associated with this. But you saw it befitting to come through your presence to say to your own, you are not alone. Some of us have gone through this type of things before, and you look on the side, there's no one. And you check the cell phone, you even think there is no network or it's broken, no one is calling, no one is saying anything. And we did not want the JP to feel like that. We want him, when he looks on the side, when he looks at the bag in front, he still finds men and women of his own people standing beside him. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Thank you for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please share and like and subscribe, because that's the way you support Kwazemi as a channel, an Afrocentric channel, where we try to understand deeper issues in African history and hopefully develop a collective intelligence on how we wish to build the Africa we want to see as people of Africa. See you in the next one.